how to survive a party. Now, a couple of weeks ago, we talked about how you can prepare when you're out and about. Now, today I'm filming this video on a very special day. It's a Melbourne Cup Day in Melbourne, Victoria, Australia. A very popular horse racing event is happening today. In the meantime, we also have a lot of people get together. Then we have a lot of drinking and eating happening. So I've just read an article about how to survive a party when the foods at the party are not necessarily aligned with your eating plan. So Dr. McDougall said 3 things. First, you can eat before you go to the party, so you are already satisfied and you're not going to get hungry. And then you can actually have a look whether there's any food that you can have at the party and just enjoy that. Otherwise, number 2, Dr. McDougall said is that you can actually bring something that you love and you can also share at the party. Then you're not going to miss out, and you can also show other people the food that you enjoy to have, and you can actually demonstrate the food that you have has really good nutrients and they're yummy, they're delicious, and it's good for everybody. And the last thing that Dr. McDougall said was that even if you actually had quite a few of the things that, because they're tempting, right, at the party, some of the things that you probably would really love to have, but you shouldn't. Don't worry. If you just have a little piece of this and that for the day, that's not going to kill you. You can always go back on track again tomorrow, right? So don't get yourself uptight when there are all of those things at the party that you think is really yummy and delicious and tempting, but you're also thinking at the back of your mind, maybe I shouldn't have that, and because I'm on this special diet now, I just want to have the very strict plant-based food eating plan, and those things, I shouldn't really touch it. You're going to feel guilty? You don't have to. Alright? It's a party time, and give yourself some space, and you can always come back on track again tomorrow. So that's something for you to think about, and I hope you really enjoy this beautiful weather. If you have any more thoughts or you want to comment below, I'd love to hear that. And if you have any questions, please ask. So until then, be well, be happy. This is Missy Grace.